Selling your car in Ohio? Here's exactly how to sign your title the correct way. This is your Ohio Certificate of Title issued by the Ohio BMV. Everything you sign is on the back, and like a few other states, Ohio requires your signature to be notarized. So don't sign until you're in front of a notary or a Clerk of Courts title office. Use blue or black ink only. No other colors, no pencil or marker. And don't use whiteout or cross anything out. Mistakes can void the title. Step 1, and the most important, don't sign yet. In front of a notary or a deputy clerk of courts, sign the seller's signature line on the back. If two owners are listed, both usually have to sign. Only an or between the names lets just one sign. Step 2, where it reads, the odometer now reads. Write your current mileage, whole miles only, no tenths. Federal law requires this for vehicles less than 20 model years old, so if you're not sure whether yours qualifies, just enter the reading. Step 3, fill in the buyer's printed name and address in the assignment of ownership. Step 4, print your full name on the seller's printed name line, matching the name shown on the title. Step 5, the notary or clerk completes the acknowledgment, subscribed and sworn, the date, the county, and their commission, and stamps it. That's what makes your signature official in Ohio. If there's a lien on your title, the lien holder has to release it, on the title itself or with a separate lien release letter. Ohio also has a BMV lien lookup tool if you're not sure. 2 things Ohio sellers can't skip. First, your signature must be notarized, in front of a notary or at a county clerk of courts title office. Second, deal with your plates. Turn them in, transfer them or destroy them, and file a registration cancellation, Form BMV 4311, so the vehicle is no longer tied to you.